Hello friends, this is Archana Nair here from Navrashna School Sama. Today I would like to make a layered fruit sandesh. Uh, Before starting the recipe, I would like to give you a brief introduction about my recipe. This layered fruit sandesh, it is a masterpiece that combines the joy of a fruit salad with the classic appeal of a Bengali delicacy. This layered fruit sandesh is an eye-catching dessert in which the layers are sweetened and spiced paneer with alternate layers of fruits like pomegranate, kiwi, pineapple and apple. Well, you may use any other fruits as well. You can use the fruits that are very seasonal also. So any type of fruits you may use it. The juiciness and naturally vibrant flavors and textures of the fruits, they contrast very beautifully with the mild sweetness and suppleness of the sandesh. This dainty dessert is also a pretty sight because of the contrasting colors of the fruits. So you may see vibrant colors like red, you may see green for kiwi, you may see yellow for pineapple, you may see red along with white for apple. So you have got a variety of contrasting colors of the fruits, and then you have the bright white paneer. So it gives a very contrasting appearance. After arranging the ingredients in these glasses, so you can either have the dessert as it is, or you may refrigerate them for an hour to allow the layers to set, and then you can serve it immediately. So now here goes the recipe. Okay, for making layered fruit sandesh, you would require pomegranate, you would require kiwi, you would require pineapple, and you would require apple. I have taken these 4 fruits. You may take any other fruits as well, no problem. And then you will require paneer, and you would require icing sugar and any essence. I am going to take kevda essence. You can either use rose essence or you can use any other essence, orange essence or pineapple essence, any other essence of your choice you may use. Okay, now let us start making it. So as I told you that we are going to use paneer, icing sugar and essence. Now this has to be made into a dough. So what I have done is, after making the dough, I have refrigerated it for around 30 minutes, and then this is the consistency of the dough. Now from these you can make small balls and you can just keep it ready. And so this is just to make the layers of the paneer so that you can easily spread it in the glasses, and then over that you can do the toppings of the different fruits that you are having, the different contrasting fruit colors that you are having. So here this recipe, when you are making, it is having lot of nutritional value because the protein content is around 5.2 grams, very less carbohydrates, that is just 11 grams, and you have fiber which is around 0.7 grams and fat which is around 8.8 grams, no cholesterol, so you can very well have it, and sodium is just 0.9 mg. So you can very well have this particular dish, and when you are serving it to your guests who may come all of a sudden, or you just get a call in the afternoon that in the evening they are going to come for dinner, so it is a very good sweet dish to be made. They might have not tasted it also. You may name it as layered fruit sandesh, or you may call it as gadbad sandesh, because there are layers involved in this. So almost the balls are ready, and now I will go ahead with the layering of it. Before that, I will have to chop some of the fruits. Pomegranate seeds, I have already taken it out from the fruit, so that is ready. So these balls are ready to be layered, and just clean my hands. You just keep this aside. Okay. Now first what we will do is we will just taking out the top part of it. You know what you can do with this kiwi also, that if the kiwi is very small, so you can just cut it into two halves and you can use it as a seasoning also over the top, or you can use raspberry, small raspberries, so that also will give you a very nice look. So first I am just slicing it into small pieces. Now I will just take them. You can use the remaining ones if they are left out, as I told you, for garnishing. You can use. I think this much will be convenient for one glass. One glass, I think you can use one kiwi, or probably if the kiwi is big enough, so you can do 50-50. So the kiwi is done. Now we have pineapple. And you have apple. You can retain both the colors. If you don't want the red color, you can just take out the skin. I am going to keep it because I love red. I am in Ruby house also, the red house. So I am retaining the red color. So this chopping is almost done. Now we will start with the layering. Okay. Now I have taken one of the glass. Just wipe my hands. So first I will put one portion of paneer. Just mildly spread it out. If you feel that the layer is less, you may add another ball of it. Then you may put one layer of kiwi, again another layer of paneer, and then you have pineapple, again another layer. Again the layering will depend according to your taste. Now you have apple on the top, and if you wish you can just add another layer, and then we have the seasoning with some pomegranate seeds. So here is your layered fruit sandesh ready. So you can either refrigerate it or you can have it as it is. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please make it and relish the dessert.